I'm Joe from QTech, and today we're going to take apart a Q70 HVLP gun. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the air cap by unscrewing it with the black collar. Place that down there. Take the gun spanner that's provided and unscrew the fluid handle. So unscrew that. That is then going to loosen off the air diffuser and the diffuser seal. It's really important not to lose that seal because it is quite loose when you unscrew it. We've then got the air divider, and that's the front end of the gun now stripped out. The only thing we've then got to remove is the fluid control screw at the back. This has got a spring inside it, so be careful once it gets to the end because it will pop out a little bit. Take that spring out and pull the trigger to release the needle. That is as simple as it is to remove all the parts. You then need to take the cleaning set, use all the brushes to clean the internal chambers of the gun, and then the assembly is the reverse of removal.